Hey, are you still struggling to make money online? Folks, this is for you. Number one dream team on the planet for direct mail marketing. Hi, my name is Paul once again, and this is for my team members. Big shout out to Steve Harding out there in California. Hey, Steve's Brad Kaminsky's right-hand man. We got a heavy hitter with her, folks. Brad Kaminsky, the one who actually put together this website. And by the way, team members. Oh, big shout out to Steve Harding. Big shout out to our new team members, Jeff Boltinghouse. Excuse me, Jeff. Big shout out to you. Welcome to the team. Philip in PA, another heavy hitter. Big shout out to you, my friend. And we also have, who could forget, Sam. Sam, another heavy hitter. Welcome to the team once again. And for my team members, all my team members that have just recently joined up in the past, all of you together, if you want a website like this, we'll get you one, man. We'll get you a website like this. $50. $50. Yeah. And it'll have, you can get, and also what you could do is, I'll help you if you want. I have a traffic for expired domain names. And I had gotten me Semetics.com. I bought it for like $10.99. An expired domain name. I'm getting ahead of myself. I just had 2 cups of coffee. Easy. All right. So, people forget to pay for, like on GoDaddy or Namecheap, they forget to update, whether it's a new credit card, debit card, whatever. They don't pay for their domain, and it expires. Interestingly enough, these domains, some of them are worth $500,000. So I have a software that scrapes the expired domains, and I often look at them. And I happen to come up across quite a few of them that are worth a lot of money. I got them tucked away. But I hooked up one of them, and you could forward it to this link, 500fireaboss.com. So I have Semetics.com, and it goes here. And that thing's worth like $2,000-$3,000. I bought it expired like $10.99, $10. So we can get you a domain like that. And you might ask why? Because it ranks better. It ranks better, and it'll get you more views. I've already made money with this website. I've only had it a few months. So I highly encourage you to, get yourself a website, brand yourself, and who's not struggling online, then go offline with postcards. And this is another opportunity that I was promoting. And he could tweak this any way you want. Brad, he's a great guy. Just tell me how you want it, and you'll scroll down. This is good for the Crazy Cash Cow program. Oh, how could I forget Mr. Ricky Reid? Big shout out to you, Mr. Ricky Reid. Love you, man. Thank you for everything. That's the big boss, everybody. So now you get started now. Now watch. This is the beauty of it. And remember, folks, when you make money with us, it goes directly to you. There's no middleman. We don't have ID numbers on our products. Why am I going to put an ID number? Because I'm the admin. All it's coming to me. And I choose whether or not I'm going to pay you or it's going to go in my pocket. No, we ain't playing that game here. You know what? These guys got games to play. I got a bunch of games to play. Don't play games with us. Now watch. Get started now. Congratulations on your decision to join whatever you want to call your marketing company. I have a marketing company, Barletta Marketing, for years now. I do marketing. I market businesses. I build businesses. I have two businesses here in the state of New Jersey that still exist. Angie's Attic Care LLC, I named it after my wife. And New Jersey Wildlife Animal Pest Control Specialists. We do pest control, insects, and animals. Yeah. What better place than the Garden State, New Jersey, right? So here you have, send $500 or whatever the price is, or you could just send money to by priority mail to Inviter, Paul Barletta, 4C, there's my address. And you can have Cash App on here, whatever your preference is. You can put Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, etc. So this is really nice. Click here for payment. And then this goes to the admin. Like, we're working for Mr. Ricky Reid. His products. His high-ticket, high-converting flyers and postcards. So you could put that here, and he'll do that for you. All right, man. So let me know if you want to put in your order. I'm not making any money off it. This isn't, I'm not making. He said he didn't tell me I'll do it for $25, and I'm making money off you. Listen, folks, I want to see you make money. You've invested enough, and those of you who are just waiting for your postcards, your flyers, you're getting everything in order. Listen. I hear sometimes some discouragement in your voices. You're building a business, a home-based business. And Rome wasn't built in a day. So you're getting this together, you're waiting for your stamps. Listen, I'm still waiting for stamps. I ordered 5,000 stamps, Mr. Ricky Reid and I. And we're still waiting. That's business. That's the way it goes. This is life, folks. But guess what? When you start building this business, and then it starts flowing, you get a cash flow coming in. What's better than that? You don't have to go out and work anymore. No more pumping gas in Jersey, right? No more going and working in Publix. We're in Florida. What's the Publix over there? Grand Union. Winn-Dixie. Remember Winn-Dixie? I've been in Florida. My daughter lives in Florida. On the beach there. But folks, you could do this. I often say monkeys could do this business. So hang in there. Have faith in God. Trust in Him. And move forward. I always say when I pray in the morning, I use the proverb, commit your works unto the Lord, and He will establish your thoughts. When I read that jumped out at me because I'm a businessman. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, and now my wife wants to start a wig business. There's big money in wigs up north here. Girls are always wearing extensions. Oh my goodness, in New York City, in New Jersey where we live. So it's a big lucrative business. So that'll be 4 businesses that I'm juggling. You say, oh, Paul does a lot of videos. Folks, sometimes I'm up till 2, 3 in the morning. Listen, you want to start a business. It's going to take sacrifice. What kind of sacrifice, Paul? You might have to go with less sleep for a while. You might have to skip a meal. Somebody calls you up, hey, do you want to meet me for lunch? No, man, I'm doing a video. I'm doing this and that and the other. That's sacrifice. It's good to go without a meal once in a while, too. Get on a little fast. Clean us out, right? But whatever you put into it is what you're going to get out of it. Here's another scripture. The hands of the diligent shall prosper. But Paul, I mailed out 1,000 postcards. I did this and that. I was this and that. Maybe there was a bad list. Whatever. Do what Mr. Ricky Reid says. Mush. Mail until something happens. You know why he says that? Because, folks, I remember my first sale was $450 cash. I mailed out 300 postcards. That next Monday, I think it was a couple days or so, that next Monday, I received $450 in cash in the mail. I was like, no way. This works. Right then and then, my confidence went through the ceiling. I was running, but now I really hit the ground running. I took off like a bottle rocket. And that's what you're going to do. Because once you see it works, you've tried all these years trying to make money online. You come up with Goose Eggs. Now you come offline and start mailing a few postcards and flyers, and you make $450 cash into your mailbox. Yeah, welcome to the team. And it's going to happen to you if 3 things. Discipline. Well, it's not easy working a home-based business. I don't have to do this video right now. I can watch Rocky. Oh, absolutely. I can get on there and do anything I want right now. I can go fishing. Sometimes I look around, my family's going to a picnic or whatever, a family reunion. I have a big Italian family here. We're always getting together, block parties, all kinds of stuff. Here I am doing videos or whatever. But guess what? Uncle Paulie's always got the money. I'm the guy in the family who's got the most money because I work. But I really don't work as hard as they do. I have my own business. I have freedom. I can take off for the next week. I don't have to work. I don't have to work for the next month if I don't want. So folks, stay with it. Discipline, consistency, and patience. That's the secret. That's Mama's sauce right there. That's Mama's gravy. I'm giving you Mama's gravy. She makes great lasagna, by the way. That's Mama's gravy right there. I gave you the secret sauce. I gave you the garlic, the oregano, yeah, it's all right there. Discipline, consistency, and patience. Because look, let me just say this, and we'll get on with the video. This is important. You go to a 9 to 5, and let's say you don't get paid for 2 weeks. Some jobs still pay bi-weekly, called bi-weekly. You're going to work 14 days for the man and wait to get paid? And you don't want to start yourself an online business and maybe have to wait a week or two? In this business, this direct mail, 7 to 10 days. Ask Mr. Ricky Reid, 7 to 10 days. So remember, while you're doing whatever you're doing, mailing out postcards, and by the way, there's other ways you can promote postcards. I'm doing it. I'm getting sign-ups doing videos. You could do Craigslist. We have multiple ways of doing like Pop used to say. He was a businessman. Take that spaghetti, take the pasta, Paulie, throw it up against the wall. Wherever it sticks, you're in there. And that's what you got to do. Throw the pasta out, man. Just keep throwing it out. It's a numbers game. And then all of a sudden, it's like a snowball effect. The money start rolling in. You'll thank me later. Okay, so right now, this is for my team members. You can get this. And you just give me a shout. You got my number. You guys are calling me. I'm glad you're calling me. I'm approachable. You're not going to hear, oh, when I called him, he rushed me off the phone. I knew it. I started with him. He got my money, and now he doesn't want anything to do with me. Listen, you're going to call me. I might call you once in a while to see how you're doing, give you some encouragement. How you doing, Sam? I'll even do it on the videos. There's only so many hours in the day that we could do. But Sam, if you need to call me, Phil's calling me. Keep calling me, Phil, when you need me. Mr. Ricky Reid's busy. He has a ton of people he deals with. But give me a call. Jeff, you're just getting started out. You're going to have to call me, to get things rolling. All right? So, I'm here for you, man. I'm not going into the witness protection program, like they say. You start up, they always talking to you, right? You start a program, always on the phone, and all of a sudden you give them the money, and they leave you for dead. We ain't doing that here. That's not happening. And if I am on the phone with somebody, I always let you know when I call you back. Listen, I was on the phone with another team member, and I'll usually put you on hold and then say that, because I think that's the proper thing to do. All right, man. I love you guys. I want to see you guys call me up and say, you know what, Paul, thank you. My wife and I are doing great. This is a full-time income for us. It was tough maybe for the first couple weeks, a month. But isn't it worth building a business for a month and you have a family business? You can leave this business. You can leave an inheritance to your children with this business. What's better than that? You don't have to be deadbeat parents and leave your kids with none. Oh, my mom and dad, they worked in a factory, and there's no wrong working in a factory. I'm not putting anybody down who works in the factory. It's good you work in a factory. At least you want to provide. You're not a person who's just living off welfare checks and government. I'm not saying I better stop. I'm gonna get in trouble. Anyway, listen, I love you. If you want this website, give me a holler. We'll get it for you. And I just want you guys to not be these guys anymore. I want to say, you know what? We brought some people on our team and they're not struggling to make money online anymore because they came offline with us. Amen. Shalom.